Hello, English 1 students. Today I'm going to walk you through Edublogs on how to create your own blog, how to join our class, and then how to get started having discussions through Edublogs. So the first thing we're going to do is to sign up for Edublogs, which is free for students. You're going to insert a username. You want your username to be something that you can remember. Password, whatever you want it to be. You're going to click that you are a student. You're going to add an email here. Blog title, you can name the blog your name. Just make sure it's something appropriate for class. Your blog URL can be your username. You're going to agree to the terms of service, click that you are not a robot, and then you're going to create your blog. Alright, so once you've done that, you're going to go to your dashboard. Perfect, okay. You're going to click on My Class, and then you are going to join a class. Okay. So when you search for a class, you are going to type in MRS Clifford CSHS and then click search. Should pop up as Miss Clifford's English 1 Pre-AP. You're going to send a request to join. All right. So once you've done that, I will go in and I will click that to accept you to the class. Okay. From here, what I'm going to do is show you on my end, after you have joined the class, what I want you to do. So I am going to go ahead and log into my student account that I have created. Okay. So you will see when you go to My Sites that you have two sites. You have your student blog and then you have the class blog. So what we're going to do is I want you to go ahead and click after I've accepted you on the class blog. Okay, you'll see that we have a couple topics already here. First thing I want y'all to do is go ahead and go under the books you have read for 2018. So any books that you've read, and we'll go ahead and start a discussion on it. Okay. These are a couple books here that teacher has read. I'm going to go ahead and add another comment here. So this is what you'll do. You'll see the post. You'll go ahead and comment. The book that I am currently reading is Harry Potter. And I have started that a couple days ago. So for my comment, I started reading Harry Potter again with my 8-month-old son. Okay. We went ahead and started reading the illustrated version of Harry Potter. He really likes it when I say the voices. So I use different voices for the characters in the books, and he really loves that. His face lights up. And my wife and I's favorite books and movies are Harry Potter, and so that's why we started reading it to him. So that's currently the book that I am reading. But like I said, he really likes it when I use voices for the characters. It's something that we can do as a family. Okay, you can write whatever you want here. You'll go ahead and post the comment, and then we can all comment about what our favorite books are and then respond to that. Okay, so that's our first assignment for this Edublogs. There'll be other ones where we connect things that we are reading to, let's say, TV shows that we feel like there's a connection between the two. All right. Hope you easily get logged in or create an account for Edublogs, find the class, and then go ahead and post your first discussion on books that you've read. Thanks.